Hey guys, let's talk about this HAPPRUN H1 projector audio not working, okay? If the audio is not playing here on the speaker or you have some choppy audio or something, this video is for you, right? Let me just check everything here related to audio. So the first thing that you see here is that I have an HDMI cable connected to my MacBook Pro. So I have here my MacBook Pro. You see the cable is connected just right here. And perhaps you have a Windows computer there, but it's the same, right? You can connect here and play a video to the projector. You see here that I have the screen. Let me just play the video here. You see that's playing, but there's no audio, right? So the first thing that I have to try here is to check the sound, right? Let's hear. Let me leave playing here, right? So I leave playing, right? And then I come here with the remote control. You see here that I have the audio buttons. Then I just need to come here and check the volume to see if the volume is good, all right? So putting the volume up, but nothing is happening. So it's basically not working. So no, not related to audio here. So let me just come back here to the computer and I can check something else, right? Let me just pause the video here and come back to the computer to check something. So here I come to the top here on a MacBook and I click to check the sound. You see here that I can select where the sound is being played. In this case, I see different options here. So it selected the projector right now, right? So if you take a look here, see the cable. So the sound leaves the computer and goes to the projector via HDMI cable. Or I can select here an external monitor that I have connected via HDMI cable as well. I have another port here with the cable connected as well to an external monitor. And I can play on a MacBook Pro speakers. So let me just select this to see if it works. So basically I'm going to play the video back there and the audio here on my MacBook Pro. So I select this one and I come back to play the video there.
Forward. It's an exciting time, but we have to tread carefully. So
okay, so see that's working, it's playing, and I can hear the audio from the speakers here. I can even control the volume, and let me just play one more time.
what's next for AI? The possibilities are endless. Imagine AI-powered cities where everything from
and you see that I can control the volume here from my computer.
Sustainability, or AI artists creating music and painting masterpieces. The future is bright, and AI is at the forefront.
Okay, I'm just paused there again. And now I see that's working here on my laptop, right? So basically, I just need to check here and change the output for the audio. Super simple. But let's say I still want to play here from the projector itself because my computer, let's say it's far from the location and I want to play back there on the speaker. So I need to come back here to speaker, try one more time. Not the speakers, but the speakers from the projector, I mean, right? So I'm trying one more time. I just try again there. It's not working. Okay, so let's just check the projector, what's going on there. Let me just get the remote control one more time here. Go to the main screen here. And I see something interesting, right? The projector is connected via Bluetooth to a Samsung refrigerator. So basically the sound could be playing on this refrigerator, which is very strange, but that's what the HAPPRUN projector is trying to do, play the sound back there. So what I can do here is just come to the settings here, and then from here I can come to the third tab here. The second one is for sound, but just to adjust the sound, it's not the one. I can come here to Bluetooth. You see that Bluetooth is on right now. And I can come here and change the Bluetooth to off. All right. Then I come back here to home, select HDMI again to play my video one more time and check if it's working now, right? Let me just play one more time here and see if it's working now. There we go. You see that's playing back there. Let me just increase the volume here so you see what I'm doing. Basically increasing the volume. And then now I'm going to approach the projector to show you guys. Let me just rewind the video here as well and play one more time. Okay, so it's playing from here now. But it's not that loud and it's choppy. Can you hear that? It's chopping. Okay, so no good, right? Let me just pause here again. And I see that's not working. What happens is that sometimes this cable here, it's not the appropriate cable for audio, or the cable is too long. In my case here, the cable is very, very long. So there's some latency or some issue with the audio. I can change this cable here and try again. Or I can also use a thumb drive, right? I have a thumb drive just right here, and I can play from this thumb drive and try to solve the problem with the audio. And I can also use a different speaker. Here I have a Bluetooth speaker. So instead of using the Samsung refrigerator, that makes no sense, I can use this Bluetooth speaker here. So let me just turn this on. So I come here, there's a button to turn it on. There we go. And then I can come here to the projector one more time with the remote control. And here on settings, I'm gonna turn the Bluetooth back on. There we go. And then I enter the menu here, and I see that's still connected to the Samsung refrigerator, right? I just click here, connect, so change to search, and I start searching. So I hope it finds my Bluetooth speaker back there. I need to put the Bluetooth speaker on discovery mode. There we go. And now I come here to KN10, that's my Bluetooth speaker, and I select it, right? Now it's connected to my Bluetooth speaker. Let me just come back. There we go. One more time here, and then I come to HDMI again. Let's just play again and see if it works. So I come here to play one more time.
That was just the beginning.
Now it's coming from here.
AI. It's everywhere. From the voice assistants in our phones to the recommendation algorithms on our favorite streaming platforms, AI is shaping our daily lives.
Can you increase the volume from here?
AI in healthcare revolution.
And as you can see, it's playing from the speaker here, but it's still not good because the computer is still sending the audio via HDMI cable to the projector, and the projector is sending to, instead of using the speaker here, is sending via Bluetooth to the external speaker back there, right? So it's not working. The cable should be the problem, or the file format there for the audio. Sometimes it's not good. So what I have to do is just try something else. So I have here a thumb drive. I'm gonna use the thumb drive. So I'm going to remove the cable from here and use here a thumb drive instead, right? I have another video here explaining how to use a thumb drive. Sometimes you cannot load the video. There's no option to load the video back there because the thumb drive is not correct regarding to the size and also to the format that you have here, right? The file system and the format for the file. So let me just come here. You see there's no signal, so I can come here. Now that I have the thumb drive, I see here on the top as well, the thumb drive is connected, right? And also it's connected to the Bluetooth. So I just come here to movie, and I can see the thumb drive, and here I have the video. I just play here.
Tech enthusiasts, buckle up, because today I'm taking you on an exhilarating journey through the evolution of it.
And you see that's working pretty fine, and it's pretty loud. Let me just come here and bringing it down a little bit from here from my speaker.
Concept. Scientists like Alan Turing were laying the groundwork, dreaming of machines that could think and learn. What's next for AI?
Okay guys, so basically it's working, right? Now I'm playing from this thumb drive just right here. It works pretty fine by sending the audio back there to my speaker. I was testing for a long time, right? If the audio is not chopping, it's not breaking up, and it's not. So basically the problem here before was the cable that's coming from the computer, or some inconsistency between the computer and the projector here for the audio. What you can check as well, if I come here to my computer, you see that I have this software here, which is the handbrake, okay? And here I can just select a file. Let me just come here to the open source and come here to the AI evolution. That's the video that I'm playing here. And you can check here on the video or the audio. See here I can convert while using the video encoder to H.264. Let's say, for example, you're playing with H.265, it's not working, it's not good, the video is also chopping. You can bring down to H.264 and convert to this format for the video, right? And here for the audio as well. If you have something different, you can just come here and use the codec for AAC. That's a good one to go, right? And you just play using this AAC here with the audio, and it's going to work, right? So basically here you see that's working right now. With the audio, it's playing everything out and pretty good. And if it's not working yet with the speaker or something, what you can do also is just turn off and turn on your projector again. So you come here and turn it off. You just press twice to turn it off. And then you press one more time here, wait for it to come back, and you see if the speakers work again, right? Because sometimes it's just some problem related to the projector. Is going to reboot and play again, right? So I hope that helps, right? And just leave your comments here. What works for you, what doesn't work for you. Remember that you can just check the cable here, replace the cable, check on the computer if you are using back there the correct speaker. That's the one here. Or you can also play on external speaker. You just need to check here the Bluetooth connection. As you can see here, it's connected right now to my speaker, external speaker, the correct one, not the refrigerator anymore. And here I can play with the USB from the device itself, right? So I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.